Bite the bullet. Bite the bullet. It's an idiom. It means to accept something difficult or unpleasant and endure it. That is to put up with a bad situation. In other words, to be very brave and face a difficult situation. Let us see it in the examples. Rohit decided to bite the bullet and pay extra for the car that he really wanted. Rohit liked a car, but its cost is more than he expected. But he is willing to pay for it. That's the reason he decided to bite the bullet. Second one, housewives are biting the bullet after another increase in the price of milk. So this is the third time they are increasing the milk price in this month. Even then also housewives are ready to face. That's the reason housewives are biting the bullet. The third one, when the time comes, I'll bite the bullet and take my punishment without a fuss, without any second thought. I am ready to face any punishment that I am going to get. That's the reason I'll bite the bullet when my time comes. The fourth one, Meena has to learn to bite the bullet and face her fears of riding a bike. She doesn't know how to ride a bike, but she is afraid of learning how to ride a bike. But she has to learn to face it. That's the reason learn to bite the bullet. Fifth one, I know she is disappointed to have not gotten her dream job, but the sooner she bites the bullet and accepts it. We know that she hasn't got her dream job, but she has to accept the situation and face the life. That's the reason she will sooner learns how to face it. So we said she bites the bullet and accepts it. When we look at the origin, in the olden days, there were no painkillers. When doctors operated on patients, they didn't give them any anesthesia. They merely gave them something to bite on, a piece of wood, a piece of iron, etc. This was done to help the patient endure the pain, not to get rid of it. Having something in the mouth also prevented the patient from screaming into the doctor's ears. During the wars, when soldiers had to be operated on, doctors usually gave them a bullet to bite on. So this is the story behind bite the bullet. So bite the bullet is nothing but to accept an unpleasant situation and face it with courage.